Hello beautiful people, it's Ruth Oyedepo here, and in today's video I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your seller shop, like how you can create a store on Seller and using your smartphone. So you can use Seller to sell most of your products, the physical products and digital products. So stay with me. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for showing me love. Please don't forget to turn up your notification button or bell so you get new updates when I drop videos like this. Let's get into it. So first of all, go to Chrome on your phone, Google Chrome, click on it, type Seller, click on go, this first one, Selar, S-E-L-A-R, click on it. It has a purple box with a white this thing there. So you click on start selling with Seller. You click on start selling with Seller. It will tell you create your Seller account. You can see a lot of users are on this Seller. Join 5,000 plus users. It's like an e-commerce store that you can use to to sell any kind of digital product or physical product anywhere in the world. And if you're a creator, you can earn a lot of money. So create your Seller account. It will ask for your username. Type in the username you would like. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will use Rebecca B as my username, and I will also use my email address. So you're fixing your email address. Word. Let's okay, you click on create account. You click on create account. Okay, my username is wrong, so let me edit it. They were like, the username may only contain letters, numbers, dashes and underscore. I think there is no space there, so let's try again. This username has already been taken. Okay, let's look for another username. Let's use another. I just want to use a username that the person can, be Rebecca 2. Let's see where it's going to go. Perfect. Boom. It's up and running, right? So good, we've created an account. So the next thing is start by setting up your bank details. Set up bank details. You choose the country where you are. I'm in Nigeria. Your bank, First City Momentum Bank. I think that's it. Yes, it has brought out the person's name, Lawa Rebecca Boluwatife. You click on continue. Click on continue. You see, they said almost there. Now click the button to add your product. You click on add product. You click on add product. What kind of products? This person wants to be selling digital products. If it's physical products, you click on physical products. If it's tickets, if it's subscription service, if it's a course, like you want to be holding a course, or if it's course you want to hold on Seller, then you must have the pro version of Seller, and that will require you a token. If you want to be streaming online videos, you must have the pro version like that. So let's click on digital product. You can see any kind of digital product, from ebooks to any downloadable products to music to courses like that. Click on next. So it will ask you to add an image of your products. For example, now what I want to upload here is ebook. So an ebook, you must have like an image, like an ebook cover. Drag or drop your image product. So click on browse. I have it on my photo library already, the image I want to use. This is the first product. I click on add. Name of product: caring for your mental caring for your mental health. Done. So what price you want to sell? You want to sell, let's say 2,000 naira. So if you are running a discount, let's say you are running a discount, for example now, and maybe on the norms you sell the book 2,000 naira and you want to sell it for 5,000 naira, just tick here that the original price is 2,000 naira, but you are running a discount of 15. As you can see, so it will just, people will see the normal price as 2,000 naira, but the sales price is 15. Then you type the reason why, but that's not what we are doing here. So let's leave it for 2,000 naira. Click on done. Categorize your products. There are preferred list of categories. This helps with the search engine, and we also help find your products easily on our affiliate market. So you put category: mental health, health and fitness. You know, mental health is under health and fitness. Then subcategory, let's look for mental health and meditation. Sorry. This product has just forget about it. It doesn't have any color, it doesn't have anything. This is just what we want to do. So if you want people to pre-order you click on pre-order, but if you don't want people to pre-order it, just leave it. We don't want people to pre-order it for now. Store categories filter. Setting a category is not required to create a product, but if you want to segment your product on your store page by categories, you can. That is, if you have different type of product and you just want to categorize it so that every ebook or every product will have a category, you can start that. But for now, no. So file access type, is it downloadable or do you want people to just read it? Me, I'll pick downloadable file. We'll pick downloadable file. So it will now say upload your file. Upload your file. Click on it. I have the file somewhere, so let me choose file. Come and let me look for it. So this is as you can see now, the file is there and it's not too large. So you click on it. Don't click on this automatically redirect buyer. If you click on this thing like this, it will ask you to write a URL. Well, it will direct people to your website. That means when people pay for this product on Seller, they will not be able to download it until they go to your website. But just to be on the safer side, you don't need to do that, except you want people to just also have a look on how your website is. So you just redirect them to your website. You get. For now, we don't need it. So you just click on create product. Okay, sorry. You need to add a description for your product. Sorry, I didn't add a description somewhere. I think it should be here. This book contains detailed steps on how to care for your mental health. Done. Let's see whether it's going to go this time around. Create product. You can see success. Congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it on blah blah blah. Very simple, right? So this is how to create a product. Let's say later you want to update it. You click on update product. When you click on update product, it will automatically. Let's say you made some changes to your product here and you change everything. You can just update it on your store here. Very simple. You click on this double line. We want to set up our store very well, try to be fine, to look inviting. So you go to settings, general store settings. Say update your profile pictures with relevant and meaningful information. So let's say you want to put the person's picture here. Go to file, store name, Lawa Rebecca Boduatife. So let's say the store description. This is what the person wants to write on our store. The person has sent it to me already. So the person doesn't have an Instagram username and a Twitter username, but the person has a. The purpose of this is so when people come to your store, they'll see these informations and on your store, and they can also go back to either your Instagram or your Twitter or your Facebook to know exactly what you are doing and how you are doing. So that means that some of these things you posted on your store, you can also post it on your social media handles, your social media platform, so that you are just creating like an online presence there. So your phone number, when seller needs to reach you, not public. Phone number there. Add your phone number there. Sorry, you can, if you notice, I have code. So sorry. So change the general buttons. Store checkout settings. Let's say you want to do a settings on this store. Collect the customer's mobile number on your store checkout form. Collect the customer's address, city or store on store checkout form. Whatever you want to do. Show checkout form immediately as a user clicks the buy button. This is typically helpful to reduce the amount they click before paying. So change the general button state to on store default. Change the general button CTA on store. Default is buy now. Buy now. I want to say that we can choose as most people. Okay. Good. Choose who pays for the seller transaction. It should be you now. Just pay. Add tax to the customer's payment on store. It's your choice if you want to. You click if you don't want to. So if you don't add tax to the customer's payment, they will deduct the tax from you. Show store category sidebars and blah blah blah. Now this seller affiliate program, let's assume that you want to give somebody this your seller link so the person can sell your product on your behalf and the person will be paid an amount too. So you just click here, give every affiliate from Seller's Affiliate Network access to all your products with one link. Click on update. You're updating it. As you can see, it's updated already. It's updated already. The phone must be a number. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think I didn't type in the phone number well. Let me. The space is there. So I think this is it. Yep. Thank you for watching. So our seller store is off and running.